Hey, what's up, y'all? Survival information and motivation. Today I want to do a quick video for, being ready, prepared in the car. It's summertime. The heat can shut just about anything down. So you want to make sure your car has all the necessary fluids. First, you want to make sure your oil change is up to date. You want to make sure the windshield wiper fluid is in there, the antifreeze. These are little things you can check for yourself. Doesn't take much, but just being proactive could be the difference from you getting to your destination or broke down on the side of the road waiting for help. So make sure those are set. Also, all those fluids, make sure you have fluid. I always walk with a cup. I fill it with ice first, and I add the water. And usually the ice clumps together, and that way keeps the water colder for a longer period of time. It may be as little as an hour, but when I go in and out the store, I come out, I still got cool, sometimes we're still cold water. If you want to stay hydrated. The other day I was driving by, I was on overpass, seen I-95 backed up. I mean, it was not moving at all. And who wants to be stuck in traffic, much less when it's hot? And if you don't have AC, then you really stuck. Me personally, I don't like to drive with AC. I always got the windows cracked. So, but either way, have those fluids ready and set. And first aid kit, not your standard CVS first aid kit with band-aids and such. Just think about everything that's been happening over the last few months. You don't know what you may be getting yourself into. You may be driving, and next you know, you got people surrounding your car. You might just be driving and you feel a little bite, something hurts. You just got hit by a bullet. You're an innocent bystander. So what you want to do is be able to stabilize that injury, because that's what the EMT is basically going to do. Stabilize that injury. The quicker you can stabilize it, the better you can do it, the better chance you have for survival. So get yourself something like quick clot. Basically it's gauze, but it's designed so it could absorb more hemorrhaging, more bleeding. And of course, other pieces of different gauze, tourniquet, get one, learn how to use it. Build out your own kit. Even if you have a first aid kit in the car, just pick up other items and add to it for each vehicle you have. And like today, me personally, I'm gonna go through a couple of the first aid kits I have at home, because it's not about scratches and bruises no more. It's people getting hurt, and you could just be all in the right. And of course, the last thing you want to have for your vehicle, some type of protection. If you can, I always tell everyone, you can legally do it, get yourself a firearm. If you can't, what's your alternative? Stun gun, pepper spray, knife. Hey, if you have all the above, it's always good to have a backup, because you never know what's going to go wrong. Stun gun, next you realize, you keep your stun gun, you want to make sure it's charged up. If it's not charged up, you're out of luck. Your pepper spray, if you never used it before, at least sprayed it once to see what the spray looks like, because some of them is more of a mist, some is more of a straight squirt, but you want to have an idea in your head what it looks like before you use it. Anything that you need, practice makes perfect. So you may not necessarily want to spray it, but practice pulling it out. All right, thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, like, share, comment. What any other videos you would like to see, please put a comment down there. And as always, freedom forever, create and conquer. We out.